In this recording, we are going to discuss number 36. It says, consider the following box plots. So there are 3 of them, containing the completion times of an athletic race of 3 teams. So the variable there is time. And we have team A, team B, and team C. The first question asking to state the median of each team. So the median is the line that is in the box. So here for team A, the median appears to be 9, between 8 and 10, 9. For team B, the median appears to be 7. And for team C, well, as you can see, this line there is a little thicker than this one. Actually, this is the lower quartile, this is the upper quartile, and it appears that the median is the same value as the lower quartile for team C. So the median appears to be 10. So the median for A is 9. The median for B is 7. And the median for C is 10. Part B is asking which team has the greatest range. And we know the range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. And it also gives you the spread of the box plot. So the team with the widest box plot has the greatest range. So as you can see, team A has a range of 7, that's 13 subtract 6. Team B has a range of 6, that is 9 subtract 3. And team C also has a range of 7, just like team A, which is 16 subtract 9. So there's a tie between team A and team C. So team A and team C, they both have the greatest range. So part C is asking which team has the smallest range. So obviously, if team A and team C have the greatest range, team B has the smallest range. Which we calculated it to be 6. Part D is asking which team performed the best. Now remember, the variable here is time in minutes, the time taken for the teams to complete a race. So therefore now, the team with the smallest average will be the winner. And as you can see, team B has the smallest median. The median is an average. Most of the values for team B is between 5 and 8, which is the smallest group of times. So therefore, team B is the winner. Team B has performed the best. Now, part E is asking which team has performed the worst. So obviously, is the team with the greatest average. And that will be team C. Most of the values for team C are between 10 and almost 13, 12 and a half, thereabout. And that's greatest group of times. It has the greatest average, which is 10. So team C has performed the worst. Part F say to state the skewness of team C and what this means concerning the location of the majority of its data values. So let's take a look at team C. Team C is skewed to the, actually these are the highest set of values are there and the lowest set of values are there. So the skewness is towards the highest set of values. That's positively skewed. Okay, so that's the lowest to the highest. So therefore the skewness for team C is towards the right, towards the positive direction, towards the higher set of values. That's where the skewness is. So the majority of the values are on the lower end of each scale, okay? And the skewness is towards the higher set of values. So that means the mean is bigger than the median, okay? To pull up the box towards the higher set of values. So the majority of the values are between 10 and 30. The skewness is towards the right for team C. Another thing we can do, we can take a screenshot of the box and whiskers for team C. Paste it in, insert in a new drawing and rotate it. Okay. And as you can see, it is skewed towards the right. So that's 16 here. And that is, well, the highest value is 16. And the lowest value is what again we said? The lowest value is 9, 16 and 9. So here is 16 and here is 9. So this is skewed towards the right. Hence, the majority of its values are on the lower end of its scale. Okay, the lower end of the scale. Now, part G is asking, is the mean for team B greater than its median? So let's look at team B. Let's look at its skewness. Team B is skewed towards the left. Okay, as you can see, the box is on the higher end of its scale. That's 9 up there, and that is 3 down there. So team B is skewed towards the left. The longer whisker is on the lower end. It's on the end towards 3. we can insert this in a new drawing and rotate it accordingly. Right? So that's 3 here and that's 9 there. So it's skewed towards the left. So skewness towards the left implies that the mean will be on the left side because the mean follows the skewness. Skewed towards the right, the mean is on the right. So it will be higher than the median. Skewed towards the left, the mean is on the left side of the median. So the mean will be smaller than its median. So the question is the mean for team B greater than its median? No, it is smaller. It's on the left side of the median. So am I wrong there? The mean is smaller than the median for B. For C, although this is not a question, but for C, the mean will be on the right side of the median, so the mean will be greater. But for B, the mean will be smaller. So that's it for number 36. Comparing the three box plot containing the times for three athletics teams. Because it's time we have to look at the smallest average for the best performance.